Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the servers within the Rocket League game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Rocket League game on your device, and once you have completed the basic tutorial levels, you will gain access to the main menu. From here, click on Settings, and now underneath the gameplay settings, you will see your tournament schedule region. Just click on the drop-down menu and choose whichever region you wish to connect. And after you have selected your preferred region, you will be told that this region will now be locked for 24 hours, and you will only be able to change this once again after this time period has passed. Click on OK to confirm your change, and now you can go back to your game and click on the play option in order to start your match within this new server or region that you have just selected. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the server within the Rocket League game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.